welcome to today's fast video, which is called What an S&P 500 Push. I had been saying so to clients right as I saw it unfolding at the very start of yesterday's regular session, and later on I tweeted about that, so I hope that you did catch it. Such is the daily chart. It might not look as appealing, but those improvements in market breadth, in percentages of stocks trading above various periods of their moving averages, is clearly there. And it was preceded by a first risk-on turn in the sectoral view. Such is the 15-minute chart. Note how well those technical levels had been respected. And unlike the day before, yesterday we did not get a meaningful flush below ES 5915. It did not reach 5895, which had been the one before, with its undershoot towards 5865 on Friday. That's not been happening yesterday, and conversely, that heavy, steady buying, very nice candles, it's more than staircase up pattern, kind of, signifies that this is an institutional bid as opposed to retail taking prices up only to panic and flash down, and no retail place. It had been institutional traders who had been in control of yesterday's session, hence it was looking so orderly. And that's what I had cautioned clients about when it comes to intraday opportunities, such as the 15-minute chart, barely any pullback, earlier valued 5975 support is thus far holding, and as regards data, we have a little bit of a preview for small companies. ADP employment change today, followed by, after the opening bell, PMI services. So much for market moving data-driven events. Sectoral perspective, the day before, already leaning risk on. However, we did not get more of a discounted entry than below 5915 yesterday, and such is the view, sectoral view of yesterday. Clearly tech in the driver's seat, and discretionary is not too shabby. Financials could be better, but industrials stepped to the fore, and I like that materials with energy had kicked in too. So much for the sectoral coverage, and let me pinpoint your attention to returning tech outperformance. It might not look anything special, but it is building up. Thus far, it is still this ratio below prior highs, so watch out for the sessions ahead, especially considering that the best stocks that have been pushing lately, and I had been talking about bulk. Okay, you might not know because it's been with clients. I've been sharing one healthcare pick, and I've been as well talking about Meta, and right now as well about ABGO lately, especially as regards its connection to the Nvidia earnings. And there is quite a development in semiconductors too. Filter out what is rising and what is not, and you would see that those that are more tied to AI, and Nvidia is already kind of at the DeepSeek level where it was splashed down from, which is quite a meaningful technical resistance. How soon before it is overcome? Yeah. So much for the selection, budding selection. within semiconductors that I will be talking more with clients. One more word regarding gold, silver and miners. You know how bullishly I had been talking. Again, you might not know, but it's start of the month, so make sure that you are taking advantage of all my thoughts via trading signals. GDX, GDXJ, need I say a word more? Yesterday's candle, very nice daily consolidation one, and so it goes as the daily move averages are both pointing upwards. So how does it relate to the US dollar's daily moves and some kind of a stabilization given to some weakness, and stabilization given to some weakness, and so on and so on. Reserved for clients. Make sure to review my joint page and decide what's right for you, and make sure to take advantage of one-on-one